Hi, Mr. Graves. This is Doug and the crew at San Jose BMW. We're just doing a update shot for you. As you can see, the technicians doing the comprehensive service maintenance on your vehicle today. As you can see, it's a beautifully engineered machine, no doubt. We're doing the valve adjustment right now. Everything's going fine, but we want to shoot you an update. It's about 12:40 at the moment. Everything's going fine. Your service advisor will update you later on with the specifics of the repair, but everything is going well. It's another good shot of the timing chain assembly on this side. The guide, tensioner assemblies, gears, all look really good. We hope you're having a great day, and we want to thank you for being our customer at San Jose BMW. We appreciate it very much.